Yeah, Tanya and Troll, we're expecting our first large-scale weekly demonstration to take place a little bit later this morning, not too far away from the Broadview ICE facility, which is where we are right now. Of course, all of this is happening after that federal judge granted that temporary restraining order and knew overnight a notice of appeal on the judge's order from the federal government, which is a move that was expected after the temporary restraining order was granted. Now, based on the judge's order for a 2-week period, the National Guard is barred from being used in operations, but we'll see if they still have some sort of physical presence here in Broadview. Of course, Judge April Perry's decision came hours after the Guard arrived at the Broadview immigration facility on Thursday. Guardsmen could be seen walking around near the Broadview facility. The Trump administration has argued that the bolstered military presence is needed to protect federal property and employees, but the judge said the government's claims about an out-of-control public on the brink of rebellion was not credible. ABC 7 legal analyst Gil Sofer breaking down the judge's decision.
The judge is saying that the government did not prove what it had to. The government had to show either that the law enforcement functions of the federal government could not be effectuated, that they were being interfered with, or that there was a rebellion or danger of rebellion, and she didn't find either one.
Now, the White House responding to the judge's move, granting that temporary restraining order, writing in part, quote, President Trump will not turn a blind eye to the lawlessness plaguing American cities, and we expect to be vindicated by a higher court. Now, back here live in Broadview this morning. Protest hours here in the village are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. each day. Historically, we've seen demonstrators show up as early as 5 o'clock this morning. There are a couple who are just hanging out right now, but no major issues at this hour. Guys, it's quiet in Broadview this morning.